Hi, my name is Joe. I'm the head chef at Salt Yard Restaurant, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the perfect Padron pepper. Padron peppers are traditionally Spanish tapas. They are very commonly used at the very beginning of a meal, and I'm going to show you how to cook them at home. So the first thing to do is take a handful of the peppers and coat them in oil. You need to heavily season them with rock salt. It's really important you use the Maldon sea salt or a really nice flaked salt. You want to taste the salt while you're eating the peppers, and the seasoning and flavour of the rock salt is so much better than table salt. A little sprinkle of pepper and mix it together with your hands. And then they're ready to fry. The trick with padrons is to make sure the pan is as hot as it possibly can be, making sure the oil is smoking, and then we add the padrons in. Once the padrons are blistered and burnt around the outside and slightly soft to touch, we're ready to go. Be careful because they do split in the pan and will spit at you. I'm going to take them from here. And just the last thing to do, season it with a little bit of salt. And there we have it, Padron peppers.